Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. This video is going to be so exciting, so don't miss anything. Rockscon Reefinator. It is a well-known fact that poor soil yields poor harvest. One of the most detrimental factors to plant growth has been demonstrated to be the presence of rocks or otherwise arable land. This issue is particularly prevalent in Western Australia, where there are areas of whole rock slabs called laterite, which prevent use of the soil for purposes of agriculture, effectively rendering it useless. Well, not anymore. Farmers can rejoice as the Reefinator, an implement which can be towed behind a tractor, effectively eliminates that problem. It works by converting shallow rocky soil into a workable surface for both cropping and road bases by use of a grinding machine. The Reefinator has been demonstrated to convert up to 20 hectares a day, making it an economical solution to convert rocky shallow land into deeper productive arable soils for broadacre farmers. High Lift Jack. The High Lift Jack is a farming tool with a difference. Produced by the High Lift Jack company, this implement has been an essential tool in the farm and off-road industry since 1905. The High Lift has now undergone a redesign to make it more efficient for fire and rescue. This includes an inclusion of capabilities for use in extrication, heavy rescue, forcible entry, RIT procedures, as well as stabilization and shoring. The High Lift offers up to 4,660 pounds of leveraging, lifting, and winching options, and is constructed of steel and high-strength aluminum, at a fraction of the cost of other expensive rescue tools. Other capabilities that make it uniquely suited for fire and rescue include its relatively few component parts, its removable top clevis clamp, which makes it capable of winching, clamping, or spreading, as well as an aggressive 36 square inch base that offers many options that encompass cribbing chain straps and has a 360-degree pinnable rotation platform, providing a safe and effective rescue tool. Red Roo Trencher. The Red Roo HT2336 track trencher comes fully equipped with a 23 horsepower Honda motor and a 36-inch cutting depth, as well as fully hydraulic capabilities with a large track, low PSI footprint, which makes the machine both stable and safe to use on turf without damage. Additional capabilities include a new wheel drive propulsion system and a load-sensing hydraulic valve to adjust the trenching wheel speed according to the load on the digging chain. The end result of this is a vehicle that can handle a wide range of soil conditions with the same level of efficiency, making this particularly convenient for novice operators. STEINEX SRL. STEINEX have been an industry leader in the design, construction, and distribution of natural stone and concrete splitting machines since 1976. Their company values revolve around constantly innovating production technology and the creation of specific solutions to industry needs. Among their products include CNC splitting machinery used in the processing of natural stone, with its unique 4 blades to ensure a perfect split each time on all 4 sides of the block. Designed to rusticate natural stone, giving it a split-face look. This machine is electrically operated with custom-made blades to help in the processing of any type of stone. Sewer Robotics. Sewer robotics is the latest trend in the pipeline industry, and with its highly effective and speedy capabilities for removal of tree roots, solidified fat, tuberculation, scaling, cement, concrete, and calcium obstructions within the pipeline, seems to be at the forefront of a revolution in pipeline technology. It features an extremely powerful and durable lateral reinstatement cutter, which grants steady and accurate movement control of the robot and the water-driven or electric cutter motors. In addition to this, the modular sewer robotics rehabilitation robots are composed of a crawler or body and exchangeable modules or heads. Moreover, each module designed to carry out a specific function according to situation. High-flow mulcher. The high-flow skid steers mulcher is made in the USA, with the aim of providing versatility to high-flow skid steer loaders and excavators. This 1,520mm skid steer mulcher can break down both small and large material, tree or brush, even above ground stumps, which can then be munched into the soil to improve fertility. The fun fact is that this machine only requires one operator. Debris can be mulched back into the soil for faster decomposition. Magnum is the perfect value-adding attachment for clearing fire breaks, land and maintenance of park or forestry trails, vegetation management, and remediation. It has innovative shaft and bearing design, adjustable bent axis motor, heavy-duty rotor design, unique drive belt that minimizes slippage, and patented reversible tooth design. LOGRITE ATV Arch. Forwarding arches, or arches that stay hooked on behind a vehicle, pick up and carry the logs and suspend them horizontally. Here, winch is used to pick up logs and carry it along the ATV arch. It can grab large single logs or groups of smaller logs. Here, you see a monstrous 10-foot log is fully suspended in the air. The large log arch, the T36, is capable of carrying logs of 36 inches or a little bit more in diameter and 6,000 pounds of weight. The strap holding the front end in from dangling around. A dead even weight doesn't pop the front wheels of your tow vehicle off the ground. You can adjust it with no problem with any vehicle. Degelman Rock King. Degelman introduces its largest rock picker ever. With an incredible 8-foot wide grate, 5 cubic yard bucket, and 6-foot 9-inch dump height, the Degelman Rock King is simply second to none. The Degelman Rock King is the culmination of more than 55 years of pursuing excellence. Degelman rock pickers are unrivaled for performance and durability, and are the industry standard. The attention to detail means these machines will work flawlessly for years to come, as you will commonly find Degelman rock pickers made 55 years ago still working today. Your time is valuable. With a 5 cubic yard bucket, Degelman Rock King lets you spend less time at the rock pile and more time at the window. The Rock King design is overbuilt with zero maintenance technology. The Lion WP3000 welded cylinder series is designed to withstand the most demanding applications on the market, while standard Lion 1000 induction hardened rods provide the ultimate in corrosion protection and durability. The wiper edge removes even the toughest dirt and contaminants from the pin, keeping the system running clean and at its peak performance. There you have it, folks, a list of the 8 most insane machines from all over the world. Which of these machines did you think were the most insane? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you next time.